What's up? So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Uniqlo MA1 Blouson. Little background behind me is I'm a wannabe techwear person and it has a shoulder pocket, so I thought those two things put together equals I should buy that. It cost $49.90 and because I'm an absolute unit, I bought it in extra small. Sizing with Uniqlo in my own experience is true to size, except for their cotton t-shirts. I find that they shrink a lot, so I buy them in small, but with the jacket, an extra small fits me just fine. On their website, they have a handy dandy size chart, but let's be honest, I don't have time for that because I'm filming this video instead of doing college. I don't understand material and clothing, but what you need to know is that it has spandex in it. As for the pockets, it has two outside pockets, a shoulder pocket, and an inside pocket. All of the pockets except for the shoulder one are closed through a button system, while the shoulder one is closed through a zipper. As for the shoulder pocket, you can't really see it, but there's some stitching there, and at first I thought it was a design, and I'm pretty sure it's only supposed to be a design, but I figured out ways where I can stick expo markers inside. And the last thing I wanted to point out about this jacket is the fact that these zippers are metal. In the past, I've had issues with plastic zippers getting caught or getting broken, while these ones I haven't had any issue except for getting caught on this lining. That's it for this video. Subscribe for more male fashion advice, but in case you do want to watch more of my reviews, there will be a link in the description down below. That's it. Take care, everybody.